kind of even.
Oh.
Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Come on, Bob. Oh. Oh, nice lead. Nice lead. Buff is going on physical attributes that he can do an extra 100. Come on, Buff. It's only a 400. Come on, Buff, drink. You haven't took a sip yet.
Go, go, go. Come on.
I'm just a little pussy. I don't like to drink.
Crushed by the old man.
Oh, there goes Turd. Turd is way the fuck ahead. Oh! No, no! You can't quit. You can't quit. Go, go, go.
That was just a little pre-cum, Buff. You can finish it.
You didn't even drink the beer.
Oh, he's got an extra freaking lap to run now.
I don't know why I really wanted church to do this. We're not doing your wedding.
It just shows you how much
You doing a hash wedding?
what's funny about it is a hash wedding.
I can hear like chariots of fire in the background.
Dun, da, 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 da. Yeah. Da, da. You can sip this one. He's got an extra 100 to run. I am running, and it hurts, and that's why the camera's bouncy right now, because this motherfucker can't drink a beer. So you guys say anything for the record? This is going on YouTube.
Why?
Because...
Why? That's all I gotta say for the
Oh... The poofter got poofed out.
I get poofed out. It's a 100-meter dash.
And you couldn't do it.
No.
No. Turd Bird fucking owned up.
I know.
Yeah.
You're still my champion.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh.
I feel like I just lost the Olympics for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
For all the enlisted kids out there, just remember, I did drink more than him before this happened.
Oh no, you had more spilt on you, maybe.
Hey, why are you gonna support these? I beat you the first 100 meters. That's all that matters to me.
All right, Weckage, you got your poker on you.
Not a sprint.
Buff needs to down this last beer. Buff, center of this circle, you down this last beer for failing.
For being a failure.
For being a failure.
Fuck y'all. Uh-oh.
Really
That hurt.
Yeah.
What if there's a sprinkler in there? He just had open heart surgery.
Oh, my 2-inch penis hurts. I'm hungry too, baby.
Yeah, where you at, Turd? I got you beat there, didn't I? You still win. I haven't finished the last beer. Come on, dude. No, we gotta finish the last beer. Damn it.
Yeah, you get a shotgun yours. Okay, Weckage, give Turd the winner and Buff the loser a song.
Bobby the retard.
Bobby the retard, yo hajime.
Bobby the retard, headed from Melvin Head. One day he came to me and said,
Drink it down, 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 down. Oh.